How to fix login problem on Threads Instagram. So if you want to fix your login problem on your Threads Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, your problem might be fixed. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi and then try to log into your account. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your Play Store. And from your Play Store, you can go with search. And under search, you need to search for Thread. After searching, if you have any updates, you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to go and restart your device. Or you can also open up your mobile settings. On your mobile settings, now you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you can go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to search for Threads. Then once you're on your Threads, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. After clearing all of your data, you can go back to your Threads and try to log in, and this will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.